Hey friends, it's Sunday and you forgot to soak your beans. So today we're going to use our Insignia Instant Pot to make some rice and peas. So we're going to start with some Jerusalem beans and some coconut milk for some rich flavors. You know, we always talk about having our foods being rich in flavor. So we have some 2 cups of rice, Jerusalem beans, allspice, all-purpose seasoning, scallion, thyme, garlic, Scotch bonnet, salt, coconut milk, and 2 cups of water. So I am going to add my red beans to my Instant Pot with 2 cups of water, salt, and I'm going to add a clove of garlic or 2 in there, and then let that cook. So I'm going to put it on beans, which you will see, and then hit start. Most Insignia or most Instant Pots have beans on there. It goes like beans and chili or something like that. So you can select that option. And it's going to cook for about 30 minutes, or it will say 35 like mine did, and I just lower it to 30 minutes. Tell me this down below too. How long does it take you to cook your rice and peas when you're cooking it over the stove? I want to know. To grind up my allspice. Now, something about allspice and coconut milk, once they're paired together, it's just amazing. Tell me if you've tried it. Now my beans are ready. I'm going to check to see if they're ready, right? And they should be soft, not too soft at this point. So let's add our spices: scallion, thyme, Scotch bonnet, all-purpose seasoning. We had already added the garlic and or coconut milk. The clip not shown in this video is when I cooked the coconut milk with the beans for about 10 minutes on saute. There's that option on the pot. It's going to give you about 10-15 minutes, but you can lower it to 10 minutes. Ooh, and before I forget, the water reduced to 1 cup of water with the beans. So I'm adding 1 cup of coconut milk because I have 2 cups of rice and we need equal parts. So 2 cups of rice to 2 cups of water. So I'm adding my all-purpose seasoning here. I'm just going to stir that in. Then I am going to cover my pot and let that cook. Now that my coconut milk is ready, I'm going to add my rice. Cover your Instant Pot. Make sure your valve is sealed or down. And then you're going to select rice and hit start. Now, this is for the people who forget to soak them beans or soak them peas, and them just want to eat them rice and peas on a Sunday and just don't stress about it. So I'm unsealing my valve and then I am going to take a look at my rice. Okay, look at that. You can tell that it's shelly by just looking at it. Look, I'm fluffing the rice and it's just amazing. Amazing. Just follow the measurements, guys, and you'll be all set. Okay, I just want to take this time to thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're going to try this down below. Let me know how you like your rice and peas, okay? Do you add more seasonings? Do you add ginger? Sometimes I like to add ginger. All right, enjoy.